Google's upcoming Pixel 9 Pro flagship phone is shaping up to be an impressive evolution, based on early leaks. While the overall design and specs may seem somewhat similar, under the hood the Pixel 9 Pro could deliver game-changing advancements, especially in the AI and camera departments. Renders show the Pixel 9 Pro's rear camera block has been refined into a sleek, pill-shaped vertical housing. This modernized design retains the iconic Pixel camera bar aesthetic with a fresh new twist. The 6.5-inch rumored display hits a sweet spot between the Pixel 8 Pro's massive 6.7-inch screen and the speculated smaller 6.3-inch Pixel 9 Pro model. We believe around 6.5 inches strikes an ideal balance of immersive viewing with one-handed comfort. While the Pixel 9 Pro may seem subtly similar on the surface, Google could be cooking up significant advancements out of sight. Rumored additions like the Pixie AI Assistant and variable aperture camera tech may enable revolutionary computational photography. The Pixel 9 Pro has the potential to push boundaries in on-device AI and camera capabilities. But until official details emerge, it's unclear whether Google's ambitions will fully materialize this year. The Pixel 9 Pro could welcome somewhat similar design tweaks, but the big question is if its camera and AI innovations can truly redefine our expectations. While the Tensor G4 chip should bring modest speed boosts, raw performance isn't the Pixel's strength. Google's real comparative edge lies in on-device AI and computational photography capabilities. Rumors point to an advanced AI assistant called Pixie that could handle complex contextual tasks beyond today's Google Assistant. For instance, Pixie may automatically recommend directions to a store for purchasing an item photographed by the user, surpassing what Samsung's hyped Galaxy AI can do. The Pixel series pioneered AI photo editing features like Magic Eraser. The Pixel 9 Pro could push boundaries even further with rumored variable aperture camera technology enabling adaptive exposures. Paired with Google's proven computational photography prowess, overall image quality may reach impressive new heights. In our opinion, the Pixel's AI-enhanced cameras don't need flashy hardware if the software smarts can deliver truly meaningful benefits for users. While the Galaxy S24 leans heavily on cloud-based AI, the Pixel 9 Pro may stay ahead by keeping data and processing securely on the device itself. Google's Gemini framework enables this privacy-focused approach without reliance on an internet connection. The Pixel 9 family will also likely launch alongside Android 15, granting some initial exclusivity for Google's latest OS capabilities. Innovations like Pixie and variable aperture imaging could make the Pixel 9 Pro one of the most intelligent, skilled computational photography smartphones around. But until official details emerge, it's unclear whether Google's ambitious vision will fully materialize this year. In our opinion, AI-enhanced Pixel cameras don't need flashy hardware if the software delivers meaningful benefits. While the Galaxy S24 relies heavily on cloud-based AI, the Pixel 9 Pro may stay ahead by keeping data and processing on device. This approach, powered by Google's Gemini framework, avoids privacy concerns and doesn't require an internet connection. The Pixel 9 family will likely launch with Android 15, granting exclusive access to Google's latest OS capabilities too. With the current flagships already top-tier options, the Pixel 9 Pro may seem like a safe iterative update on paper. But the potentially revolutionary leaps in AI and computational photography could make the Pixel 9 Pro one of the smartest, most capable camera phones around. We are genuinely excited to see innovations like Pixie and variable aperture imaging manifest in real-world usage. If executed well, it could set the bar higher for how AI meaningfully enhances the smartphone experience. That is all for today's update on the upcoming Google Pixel 9 Pro. Thanks for watching and let us know about your opinion in the comment section below.